To draw this circular duct, let's use the circular duct routing command. Choose a type of network and a profile size. Then right-click to call the connection option and choose the appropriate type of connection. Here, a circular duct onto another circular duct. Select the duct to connect to. AUTOFLUID finds the center line. Click a second point and then right-click to the option 45-degree Y branch. Click on the side you decide to continue the duct on. Extend it and right-click to select upwards. Now use the 3 lines pickup command in circular duct. Select the duct and continue to extend it. Then right-click and choose downward.